Hi, I'm Raymond.
And Vicki.
Roam with us to
Norfolk, Virginia, to the Norfolk Botanical Gardens as they present Nature Connects, a Lego art exhibit. This multi-piece exhibit is the Gardener and Grandchild, and it contained 76,840 Lego bricks and took 740 hours to build. The bird bath contains an addition squirrel with the cardinals, and they took 14,802 Lego bricks and 200 hours to build. The Galapagos tortoise and the Darwin finch presented here consist of 23,317 Legos and took 290 hours to build. This very proud and magnificent peacock on display contains 68,827 Legos and took 625 hours. This very giant corn spider that hung above has 16,492 Lego bricks and was 135 hours to build. This giant bloom of the violet pansy with a honeybee contains 29,314 Legos and took 240 hours to build. And this magnificent hummingbird on a trumpet flower has 61,107 Legos and took 265 hours to build. This doe, fawn, and buck contains 84,442 Legos and was 540 hours to build this magnificent set. The Rosetta, Skimmer, Dragonfly has 27,788 Lego bricks and took 515 hours. This interactive ant colony Mosaic took 12,990 bricks and took 105 hours to build. And the Monarch Butterfly on a milkweed contains 39,708 Legos and took 425 hours to build. For current information on the gardens, you can go to their website, which will be linked below. And for Sean Kenney's exhibits of Lego art, you can go to his website linked below also for current exhibits. Thank you for watching.